Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you could possibly track your order on Amazon, so let's get right into it. Now, even though the title of this video has Google Maps, I'm here to inform you that Google Maps is not usable to track your order. Simply, it is what it is. Excuse me. Amazon has their own system of maps which they use. I'm pretty sure it's Esri Location Services, which is used to track your orders. So it pretty much, as far as I'm aware, at least doesn't have anything to do with Google Maps. So even if you do have your tracking ID, you will not be able to use Google Maps to track it. You will be able to track it using the tracking ID and the tracking link, which you get in your confirmation email when you actually place your order, and that is going to lead you to Amazon.com, where it is going to access those specific maps which are going to be used to track your orders. So yeah, Google Maps pretty much has nothing to do with this, at least at this point. You could possibly, if you know what you're doing, maybe use some sort of API or use the Google Maps API to program something to track your order from Amazon, if Amazon allows any APIs to be used from their side. If you can use an Amazon API to pretty much just mix the two and use Google Maps as the maps of choice instead of their own maps which they use for their orders. And yeah, other than that, that is pretty much it. There really is nothing else to mention. It is not available at the current moment with Google Maps, and I'm not sure if it will ever be possible. However, yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.